Hi there, welcome to Lava Accountants, and this training video is all about bank rules, how to set them up, why you should be using them, and how it will make your life easier with your bank reconciliation. So from here in our dashboard for Magma Industries, we have a series of items that need reconciling. So from here you can see they've had their wages posted and their Nest pension and HMRC payment for PAYE. I would recommend here creating a bank rule for the Nest pension payments. And the reason being is it's a regular payment. It will have the same description going forwards, and it will make life a lot easier when it comes to reconciling your bank account. So from here in the bank account screen, you can create a bank rule. Now, what's important to note is that bank rules are specific to each bank account. If you had multiple payments going out of different accounts that had the same description that you want to create a rule for, you would have to recreate that rule in each bank account individually. Now from here, Xero has extracted a lot of the information that's already in there. So from here, we've got the payee, and it equals Nest. Now you can change that to be contained, starts with, or is blank. And also in the condition, you can have a description and you want it to start with. I would always recommend starts with, particularly on description. Payee quite often is blank on a bank feed. And the reason I'd recommend starts with is that sometimes the reference may change, particularly with corporation tax or in particular PAYE payments. So if you're changing that reference, it's best to start with on the search icon and just delete the reference so that you're just starting with the beginning items, and that will help you speed up the bank rules. Always you have to set up a new contact. For here we will type Nest Pensions and it will create a new contact there for me. Allocate fixed value line items. So here is where you can reallocate certain amounts of payments if you want them to go to different account codes. In this instance, we just want it to be our monthly workplace pension, and we want that to go to pensions payable in our balance sheet. There's no VAT, and we want 100% of that cost there to go there. So you've got a multitude of options with the bank rules. So you can create a new line. So for example, if you had lots of different payments going out and you wanted to go fixed fee, and the account was sort of pensions, say direct expenses with VAT for £50, and then the remainder, if you wanted to add a new line, and that went to say bank fees, no VAT, and if we wanted to say 25% and 75%, from there it will allocate £50 of the amount to the to direct expenses, and then the remaining amount would go to pensions payable and bank fees per this rule. We don't want to do that though. We just want 100% of our cost to go there. The reference will be set from the reference in the bank feed. The bank account is listed there, and this is our Nest pension. So we'll save that bank rule. And now as we go into the bank transactions and to reconcile the account, this is why bank rules will become a lot better for you. And once you have lots of rules going through, it will speed up the reconciliation process for you. So down here we can see that Nest has been picked up by this rule. We can choose not to apply the rule if it was something specific, or we can edit the rule here going forwards, and we would just click OK, and that's it reconciled. Thanks very much. If you need any further help with Xero, please do get in touch on the website at lavaaccountants.co.uk.